Hello everyone. To make the doll's legs, I cut a piece of fabric 8 cm high by 20 cm long, and to make the arms, 7 cm high by 12 cm long. Then we fold it here in half. I'll sew along here and do the same for the arm. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can sew it by hand and it will look just as beautiful. I sewed it, put a pin here, and now we turn it right side out. There's no secret, there's no mystery at all in making this doll. You're going to fall in love. Very, very easy to make. Do this with the arm and with the leg. We're going to baste all around the arm and the leg, close it, and stuff it with filling. Everyone, if you're enjoying this video, share it. Send it to your friend who likes making dolls, who likes doing easy crafts. This is one you can make and sell. See, I'm telling you, it's easy. Finish it off, stuff it with fiber fill, and then close the other side the same way. To make the hands and the little shoes, I cut out 5 smaller circles. I cut a piece of fabric measuring 24 centimeters by 16 centimeters. I bring the ends together neatly here, then I fold it here. And sew a seam. I sewed the seam, turned it right side out, and now we're going to baste all the way around here.
Todinha.
Line it up well, pull it. Make a little stitch and it's done. To make the top part of the dress, I cut a piece of fabric 10 centimeters high by 9 centimeters. I fold here and sew a seam. To make the head, I cut an 8 cm circle. I'm going to baste it and fill it with stuffing. Adjust it here and tie it. To make the bangs, I wrapped the thread 5 times around 2 fingers. Guys, I'm in love! Look at this beautiful little doll! Look how adorable! Look at the red one too. It's pretty, isn't it? Which one did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. If you liked this video, like and share it. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.